Okay guys, it is February 7th, 10:19 p.m. And this is my latest unboxing video. I ordered my second Rapdio M420. This one is from Iron Planet Hobbies, which is a really cool place. I've actually bought from them before. They packed this extremely well. Let's see. So this is a Providence and Worcester unit. The box is a lot different than the previous run. Now this is not the DCC version. This is the DC version. And the reason why I've been buying DC Rapdio units is because, for whatever reason, some of them have very bad ESU decoders. And what I've been doing is I've been buying the DC ones because, you know, the DC ones don't have a decoder, and I just put a Tsunami 2 decoder in them, and they actually sound better with the Tsunami 2 decoders as opposed to the ESU ones. So this is the one that I got. So Providence and Rooster number 2003. Another reason why I got this is because I pre-ordered an undecorated one from Rapdio. They took my $1 deposit, but they haven't announced any undecorated M420s, and I sent them one or two messages on their forums. I think I sent them an email, never heard back from them. So I'm probably going to take this one and make it into my second M420 AC, or might just leave it as a Providence and Rooster engine, or just do a patch job on it or something. I haven't technically decided on that part yet, but let's go and see if I can get this open with one hand. It's a beautiful engine. The Providence and Rooster units are unique because they have the Alco AAR Type B trucks, whereas the Canadian built or Canadian units, like for BC Rail and Canadian National, had the DeFasco trucks. So when these had the Alco trucks installed, they actually had to go with a different bolster design to accommodate the Alco trucks. So they actually had different bolsters than the CP Rail and the BC Rail M420s. And actually, I didn't even know this, but the undercarriage is brown. I didn't know that. So they're brown. Interesting. It's a beautiful engine. It really is. Different style fuel tank compared to the previous run. But it's a beautiful engine. And the Providence and Rooster units had a unique light package. So I believe the bottom headlight is the headlight, and then the top is like the Mars light, which is pretty cool. It's got a K3LA horn. Yeah, the details on it are pretty good. The walkway for the radiator grill, I wished Rapdio would make that etched metal, because that is so dainty. I mean, look at that. That is like the daintiest part of the engine right there. That's my professional opinion, because the last one, which was my undecorated one, I actually broke one of those putting it on. So, yeah. But it's a great engine. And I will be putting a decoder in this, a DCC decoder. Let's put it on the test track and see what happens. So do this right here. Okay, it's on the test track. There it is. It's a beautiful engine. Here it is without the foam inserts. Um, it's actually, it's a good looking locomotive. Really is. I like it. It's got the dual air tanks right there. I don't see any chains on the trucks for like the brake gear, so I don't see that on this model, which is good because Rapido has a tendency to connect the chain to the underside of the chassis or the shell, and you can't get the shell off without taking off the chain. So yeah, had that problem with their RSC 18. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, guys, this is my latest acquisition. Um, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know some parts of the video were a little bit off, but it's been a while since I filmed. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care, guys. Later.